Elite wellness and anti-aging patients understand the importance of a competitive edge. That's exactly what 5-amino 1mQ is designed to do. It gives you exactly what you need to get to your ideal weight. 5-amino 1mQ is a small, selective, membrane-permeable molecule that is an NN-MT inhibitor and an ideal ingredient for anti-obesity medication. By inhibiting NN-MT in fat cells, it is possible to reverse diet-induced obesity because of increased intracellular NAD+. 5-amino 1mQ taken in conjunction with a low-calorie or ketogenic diet can result in increased fat burning and body fat consumption over time. It is recommended to commit to 2 to 3 months of 5-amino to see results. Each bottle contains 30 capsules. Consume once per day in the morning. 5-amino 1mQ is an excellent option for anyone sensitive to phentermine-based products, as 5-amino has no stimulants and therefore no impact on the central nervous system. Click Add to Cart now to get started. Our doctor will review your medical records and process your request. Medication ships directly to your door within 72 hours. If you are not yet a patient at Elite Wellness and Anti-Aging, visit hormonetherapyntx.com and click on Book Appointment. Our office is in Salina, Texas on Preston Road. You will need lab work and a physical consultation every 6 months.